Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Prince Frederick Local and Long Distance. Movers near me. In Prince Frederick, people rely on 3 movers for making their long-distance moves. We offer high-quality services. In addition, we provide insurance for your belongings from the time of packing until it is safely delivered to your new place. Along with the furniture, we also offer transport services for your vehicles. So, you do not have to worry about driving long distances in your car. Choosing auto transportation for long distances helps in saving the vehicle from getting regular wear and tear on the road. Local moving requires immediate and timely delivery of your belongings. So, when you pick 3 movers for moving your belongings, it is up to you to decide the date and time, and our team will deliver the stuff without any delay. The team will reach your home and start packing all the material that you need to move, like furniture, kitchen setup, and more. Then, you can stay until they pack or do other important chores. In addition, we also offer insurance on local moving so you can be assured about the safety of your belongings. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Prince Frederick moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.